Welcome back to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be going over the folding kit survival kit, or the folding survival kit. This is just, I don't even know if this is an actual lure bag, but this is just something I've been using as my river bag for fishing. This started my pack and I turned it into a survival kit. Here you can see we have 4 separate pouches. They're not split up too much. And there's like tools here, water treatment, nutrients here, coverage and bigger stuff here, and quarters over here. It's pretty basic, nothing too sophisticated. Let's start with our tools. Here we just have a basic little flashlight. I don't even know what brand that is. Inland, a little Inland flashlight. I'm not gonna roll. Then we have a mini Bic lighter for fire starting, of course. And we have our Gerber multi-tool for cutting whatever utilities we really need. And we have a saw in here. Got screwdrivers, scissors, everything we need. We also have a magnification lens for fire starting, just in case our kit gets wet. I'll put in an actual can opener, a P51, a little clip on it. In case you get canned food and need to open it up. Now this one, we got instant coffee, then a water, or let's see how many water activated, 3 water activated towelettes. Here's our water containment bags. Ideally, you could actually put a folding or one of the collapsing water bottles in one of these. Here you have some water treatment tablets, as well as 4 bouillon cubes with another water container bag or containment bag. Here we have aluminum foil to cook with. A good amount of aluminum foil. And it's thicker stuff, the heavy duty stuff, as well as a button compass for navigation. And here we just have a fire starting kit, which is a little ferrocerium rod, a striker, some cotton balls. The cotton balls are separately wrapped, so they'll stay dry no matter what. Here we just have a couple little components. Not little. Here we have our emergency blanket, or mylar blanket. Great reflective, great for shelter making. Here we have a mini first aid kit. Just has basic bandages, aspirin, triple antibiotic ointment. Sorry guys. Sting relief pads, along with some larger band-aids. Great little kit to have out there. The 1 pack of 2 10-hour hand warmers, as well as a clear rain poncho. May also be used for either rain collection or shelter making. Here we have a wire saw for shelter making again, or if you need to make a splint or something like that. Here's an additional way of starting fire. I have just one of the fuel cubes from a folding stove and book matches just to go with it. A little plastic bag. That's an instant fire. Here we have some duct tape for gear repair, or you can use it for fire starting as well. Excuse me guys. Here we have a fishing kit. It's got our fishing line, sinkers, hooks. I love these little reels. I gotta figure out a way out to 3D print a couple of these, because I want to start doing my own for my own kits. Here we just have a small signal mirror, star flash. We also have a pack of UCO stormproof matches. I love having these in the kits because they're already packed and nice and sealed. Stormproof, they're already sealed themselves, so just great matches to have in the kit. Here we have a signal whistle, just one of the little steel ones, along with our 550 paracord for cordage. I don't know, I think this is 25 feet. And we also have snare wire for cordage. That's why I love having the multi-tool, so you can actually snip it and use it more than once. And that's the whole kit, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, or what you do differently, and how you feel about this bag. Because I think this is a cool kit, either for survival kits or fishing kits. It's a great little thing. I can just throw it in a small backpack with a camel pack in it and not have to worry about a big tackle bag or tackle box or anything like that. As a hook falls out, the hooks are still in there. You know how it goes. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.